Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mighty the Man. I hope you guys are doing well and absolutely fine. This is Chandan. Which topic we are going to discuss today? This is a very most important topic and these tips can help you a lot to boost up your English speaking, and it will totally change your mindset related of English language and provide you lot of sentences and story. If you are going to follow this tip, I am sure that it will change of your life because it worked in my case, so it must work in your case. It's my experience that it is totally change of my life when I started to use these tips, and there was a boon of speaking in my case. So I am sure this will help you a lot. I want to request you all guys that please stick with this video till the end. This video is going to very tremendous and to very knowledgeable for you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Today's topic is environment of English language, means that surround yourself in English language. This technique can help you a lot and to provide you lot of things, because whatever we do in our life, since get up early morning till the end of sleeping, try to describe it all in your own styles, in your own language. As after getting up, we do brush, and before doing brush, what all we do, and to what all we use in our native language, try to speak it out in English language. By doing these short things, by speaking this short word and sentence, it can increase your confident level and to boost of your speaking, because these common sentences and uses, if we'll speak out more and more, then it will be very usable for us. And whenever we would have requirement of this type of the sentence, we will not face problem and trouble to use of it, because always is it all run in our mind according to use, and at the requirement time we don't have to search and stuck while presenting. Only it is in use, and only pick up and try to speak it. So how it is possible? Only making environment of English language, because every day we do lot of action and work in our life, which meanings and sentence we don't know. So if you are habitual and all the action runs in our mind, whatever we do in whole day, then it will be in your thoughts. When you are habitual to speak every action which is acted by you in whole day, then it will always run in your mind at the time of requirement, at the time of conversation with somebody. You will not face problem. Sometimes it is question raised in your mind that whenever we discuss to someone or in conversation with somebody, then our mind totally goes blank after listening the questions. Why it all happening? Because you are not a habitual and you don't have made it environment to of English language surround you. So if you will make environment to of English language surround you, this problem is not going to happen, and this problem is not going to more for you. So it's very necessary that to have an environment and try to speak that all action which is happening around you in, speak it out in English language. If somebody besides you, couple of people are talking to each other, you are alone and listening to them in your native language, then try to speak out those conversation in English language. When your turns come to practice, or you are alone and you want to practice, then first what they did conversation which you listened, try to speak it out in your own language, in your own sentence. It will boost your confidence level and to provide you more sense of speaking and change your mindset. Another example is, right now everyone has a mobile phone, and near about 4 or 5 hours they must expend with on the social media, to watching Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. And just imagine, you are learning English language and watching the content in Hindi language, then what advantage you are getting to watch that all contents? If you want to take the news, then it is enough for the 10 minutes or more of 10 minutes. Why are you expending your 5 hours in that language which you already know very well? So pay attention that what contents you are watching on social media platform, that format and that language should be in English. Because when we'll turn our mindset and to provide to our mind more and more contents in English language, and to that story which we watch in the on the social media or in the mobile phone, it will always print in our mind whenever we would have requirement or we are doing practice or exercising. Then try to speak out whatever you watch on the social media. Try to explain it in your own language. It will increase your confidence level to speak of any stories and speak of any conversation. And also you will what new sentences and word you are listening while watching YouTube contents or of contents on Facebook, you can use it in your own language, in your own style, to make you strong. And sometimes we face a problem of wake up, so this problem will automatically finish. We would have enough wake up to explain itself, to describe about any topics easily. We will not face a problem if you will make environment of English language. Because if we are learning English language, then why are you not looking to make environment? It's very important. It is excuse of everyone and question of everyone. uh, at those house no one is that could reply those answer in English language. Why are you searching to the people to reply of your answer in English language? You are alone enough for your English. You don't need of anyone to help you to speak in English language. Whatever you are, no one knows better than you. So what answer and questions you want to put up to another ones? Try to give the answers and questions by yourself. As a better and good examples you will provide to yourself by yourself, no one is here that can provide you better and satisfy to you. So it all depend on environment. I know very well that everyone hasn't environment of English language, because we have born in such language our which is our native language. Our native language may be Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, but not English. So in this environment, how can you imagine that somebody in your family member can help you to put up your questions and to ask questions to you? You should not imagine. So all is totally depend on at you. As strongly you will follow these tips, it will totally change of your life. I am sure, because it in my case it worked a lot. So in your case it must work a lot. Only need to patience and enjoy the process of learning. You will see miracle in your life related of English language. So I think, my dear friends, it's enough for the today. We'll meet in next video. Till then, take care. If you like this video, then give it like, and still you didn't subscribe my channel, then consider to subscribe. Please don't forget to comment in below in comment box. If you liked, then share to this video to your friend. This video can help to your friend also. Thanks a lot.